Perfect stable cream cheese frosting recipe. This delicious, light and fluffy cream cheese frosting is perfectly stable for icing cakes, cupcakes, banana bread, cinnamon rolls, or for piping flowers. Let's make it bismillah. In a mixing bowl add 4 ounces of softened butter, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Whisk it until light and fluffy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can always whisk it with hand whisk. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar. First add half a cup, then whisk and add another half cup of powdered sugar. Whip it for 5 to 10 minutes until fluffy and smooth. Scrape the sides if needed. This frosting is good in refrigerator for 1 week in airtight container. Frost your cakes or pipe the designs however you like. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, kindly ask in comments below. If you like this recipe, kindly press the like button, share, comment below, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.